Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. It's Sunday, January 5th. Show number 5. Today we will learn these 2 words. The first one is something delicious you put on food. And number 2 means to become more hot. Let's begin. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer likes vinegar. Jennifer likes vinegar. Vinegar. People put it on their food to make the food taste better. Now let's make a flashcard for vinegar and remember it forever. Please write vinegar up here in the top left corner. V-I-N-E-G-A-R. Down here in this corner, the category F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. Over here, the number 50 out of 50. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Vit, nit, ger, vinegar. What about you? Do you use vinegar sometimes? Let me know in the comments. Now we'll do word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob warms up before he plays tennis. Bob warms up before he plays tennis. He warms up. He practices and does a few exercises in order to get ready to play. We use this in sports to prepare, also for the weather. It means to become hot. Now, let's make a card for warm up. Please write the basic form up here. To warm up. Times 2, it has 2 meanings, for the weather and for sports. Down here in this corner, VID1. This means verb idiom, level 1, also called a phrasal verb. And over here in this corner, the number 76 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Warm up. Class over. It's time to go. Today we learned very good. And number 2, to warm up. Very good. What about you? Do you warm up before you play sports? Let me know in the comment section. And before we go, if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is something in a car that gives it power. We also call it an engine. Number 2 is something we use in the air to access the internet. And number 3 means to send an electronic message to somebody. You did very well today, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.